Thanks for stopping by the 8181 IT channel. Today's review is going to be the Levantech strip lights. These are RGB 3-meter strip lights which come with a remote. So let's check them out. Okay, so like I said, connects to the power outlet. It's the Levantech RGB strip lights. It's about 3 meters, which is around roughly 9.8 feet. And that's the remote it comes with. So you have an on-off, you have a increase the light, or you can decrease the brightness, increase brightness, decrease brightness. Then like I said, it's RGB, so you have RGB, so red, green, blue. This is a white feature, supposed to mimic white light, like a fluorescent tube light. It also has the flash feature, it has a strobe feature, it has a fade feature, and it has a smooth feature. And of course, these are the color combinations you could add to it. You could add like a ink blue, you could add a sky blue, you could add a purple, indigo, and so forth. As you can see, these colors. Okay, so that's what the remote looks like. And you have to use it really close to this to the sensor here, or it's not going to pick up. If you use it any further down, it's infrared. Don't forget, that's what you can see here is infrared. That's the panel over here for infrared, so make sure you point it to the receiver, which is this area here, okay? And of course, it has a battery as well, a watch battery. You can always change it in case it fails. So let's turn it on and see the goodness. And like I said, it's 10 feet, so let's check it out. So I'm gonna turn it on. And there you have it. That's what it looks like. And it is approximately 9.8 feet. It goes all the way to the top. What I need to do is actually turn off this light here, so you can see it's the brightness. That's what it looks like. It looks amazing on the staircase. I'm actually using it on the staircase all the way up. It looks like a stairway to heaven. It's really cool. And of course, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna do a little bit of a light show here. But like I said, I'm using the white feature now, where you kind of, I know on the camera it looks like it's blue, but it's actually supposed to emit white, like a white color light. Okay, now that's the flash feature. Then you also have a strobe feature, which is going on right now. Has that strobe effect. This is, let's have a look. So this is a fade feature that I'm currently on right now, fading in and out. And below that, that's the fade feature, and below this fade feature is a smooth feature. This is supposed to be a smooth feature. I'm not sure if you can see how the lights are bouncing in and out. It's pretty fast, and the beauty of this is that you can change the frequency using this area here, these buttons here, which suppose to like if you want to brighten the light or dim the light, these are the ones you got to use. But on this feature you can also slow it down, so I'm going to slow it down now. So it is slowing down. I'm just going to focus on a little bit of light because the rest of the strip is the same, so I'm just going to focus on this part. So it is actually slowing down. As you can see, it is going slower and slower. It's showing the blues and of course the greens and all like so. Right now it's just the red, now it's green, it's going slow, and now it's blue. So you can actually see the colors changing or switching when you slow it down. Okay, and same with the other effects, guys. It's pretty much the same. If now I'm currently using the fade in fade out feature, and that's going slow. If I want to quicken that feature, I just have to click on this button here, which is it takes it up faster. So you just have to click going fast. As you can see, the lights are changing much faster. Now if I want to change it to just reds, I just click on the red here on the remote, and that's gonna just mark it as red. Okay, it's gonna be a stagnant light, so it won't really change. It's gonna be static, as I like calling it. And let me see if it actually, so when it's static, what happens is when you press this button on the top here, which was switching lights and the frequency and how fast or slow it was moving, when you click on this, it increases the brightness of the red. As you can see, the brightness of the red is increasing. Okay, and it looks really cool, especially on the staircase like that. It's absolutely cool. So that's the bright, most it could go, as bright as it can get. And then of course I'm just changing colors now. I'm changing it to a green. Look how bright the green is. The green is absolutely bright. It literally illuminates the staircase. You really don't have to turn any auto lights on to watch it. And of course now the blue, which is a kind of like a beautiful kind of neon blue, I like calling it. And of course I show you the white feature, which kind of mimics a fluorescent light. And I'm gonna switch it on to a different, it's more like Christmassy actually, this one here. It's got the reds and greens. And then this one is a different shade of blue, and this one is a different shade of blue. It's got a bit of red and blue to it. You know, just a way of changing light, but look how bright it is. It is absolutely fantastic. Really, really cool. I don't really keep it on this bright because I think it hits the eye. It's not really pleasant. I like turning it down. I'm turning it down right now. And I think it's a lot nicer when it's turned down, and it's a lot more appealing to the eye. Okay, so that's what it is. So that is the feature of these lights. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. This is 8181IT signing off. You take care, and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.